Hi there, my name is Brandon and welcome to Optima, home of the Optima APOS Series product line. So you've started up your APOS system and attempted to enter a transaction only to see a pop-up window appear saying activation required with a series of letters and numbers. This activation required pop-up message appears when uninstalling and restoring your GoPOS software on your APOS system. Once you do this, the license key will become inactive. This is a security measure put in place to ensure that your software is unique to you and your specific APOS system only. Please take note that without a license, you will still be able to access the maintenance modules, but you will not be able to enter any transactions or send and receive data between PCProg and the GoPOS software. Now, when you see the activation required pop-up message appear, you need to contact Optima to receive your new license. So, the first thing you need to do is take a photo of that activation required pop-up message, which contains a series of letters and numbers. Then email it as an attachment to POSsupport@optimagopos.ca. Again, that's POSsupport@optimagopos.ca. Be sure to include your dealer information such as your company name, your contact name, your email, and your phone number, and include the words activation required in the email subject line. Once Optima receives your request for license activation, Optima will generate a new license and send it to you as a file attachment. Please note that each license is specific to a particular APOS system and therefore cannot be interchanged. So it's imperative that you provide the correct information when requesting for a new license file. So if you have your new license file with you, your USB stick, and you're near your APOS system, I'll show you how to do that right after this. So now I'll show you how to reactivate your APOS license. First, transfer your new license file to your USB thumb drive. Please be sure to place the new license file in the USB drive root directory and not in a folder. This will help ensure that GoPOS can easily find your license file. Now that the file is transferred, insert the USB drive into the back of your APOS unit. As I mentioned before, please remember that each license is specific to a particular APOS system and cannot be interchanged. Select anywhere on the APOS screen to redisplay the license required pop-up message. Press offline on the pop-up message and it should automatically open the USB drive window. Now you can select the license file. Once the license file is selected, it will quickly install and automatically take you back to the register screen. If successful, you should be able to complete and tender your transaction. If Android bars have been enabled, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to safely eject your USB drive. If Android bars were not enabled, you can enable Android bars or shut down the APOS system before removing the USB drive to ensure that it can be safely ejected. Why don't you subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can get notified as soon as we upload any new videos. Also, if you want to learn more about the Optima APOS series line of products or need any POS accessories such as barcode scanners, printers, Windows PC POS terminals, and more, visit www.optimagopos.ca. Again, that's www.optimagopos.ca. I'm Brandon from Optima, and I'll see you again.